I don't know if it's looking out or not. Yeah, it feels like this, right? Oh, I don't know.
Don's not bringing up on these, right? Bring it up.
Yeah, it's called the rag.
It's got to be cunt.
This is so long the bait.
Well, it looks like one good. Our little worm, I know.
Where it was before?
Anyway, I get fucking. Well,
Oh, just I think I'll leave it a bit next time just to make sure that it's actually on.
nice bite,
Oh, look at the bird!
Fucking up.
One minute was over. Oh, jeez Louise! Go back.
I reckon the white, the small white, they were after the worm. If they,
Oh, that explains why it was an arm.
yeah. They go back, yeah. They don't even pay that. Go back, yeah. They call it. If you want to pick that up out there, it's fucking, it's a bit much out there.
Minnows large.
No, they supposed to be the fucking large.
Oh, they're the
It's fucking tiny. finger.
If it is, it's not up to so happy. Don't tell me it's not to... Oh, you fucker! Oh, yeah, this bastard. Little bitch. Oh, my days. Let's try again then.
Well, keep trying. All the way through. Mighty.
Yeah. Well, at least you know they're there.
Yeah, for you, yeah.
They feel pity on me, that's what that is. Charming! Asshole!
They're like,
Well, joke's on you, because even if they are showing pity on me, you're just sitting there, giving me loads of baits, but yours is just like, nah.
I don't want to fuck myself with these dogs. There's no way. You won't get it out. That's right. Oh, you are doing fucking bites, sir.
Because I'm a professional. I'm joking.
Your mother's a professional.
I bet she is.
Fuck you two to lovers. Well, let me check it, bitch.
You lovely person, you.
And Joe, if a white can take this, right? That big? Probably will. Try looking out.
Who put a whole one on there?
Yeah, got them out.
Oh, that's not a whole one then, is it?
We got over it. Oh, how's that, sir? Looks like it.
Hang a dang.
Safe?
Yeah. All good?
What the?
Okay.
Yeah, but I'm just on it, but...
Falling over, there's like, this is in a ditch.
Over Conga don't pick it up as well.
Give it up, Bill.
Fucking would. I haven't met her ago. There's a place to... So I guess go... Bump, live it there.
Then you just jump in and say, "That's what happened."
Next morning. Stuff, like...
Again, I don't trust these bastards.
frame on, but not a bottle.
Keep that full lead.
No.
What?
We'll drink it.
Okay. Blink it. Ow.
Huh?
Huh? Oh no, it's because I stepped in the puddle.
You wet?
Huh?
Is it cold?
No.
No?
See, the motorbikes, but they're not hanging on, little bastards.
That's better. Leave a bit of slack.
You told me to be here. You're giving me proper whiplash, you are, darling.
No, leave a slack, you're not going to. Just sit there for a minute. What I say to you are, what's going to happen is we're going to wait for a bit, bounce a bit.
Yeah, I know.
That's all.
Fish. Being a bit slower, so kind of like,
Oh,
what?
keep bringing it.
I forgot.
You should bring it back to Wednesday.
Hey! Hey! I'm gonna go show that to the gentleman. Oh, don't hurt him though. Oh, I don't want him being hurt though. William. And he did have loads of teeth. And there's birds everywhere trying to steal everything. I did have a whiting. He was called William. He had loads of teeth and the camera crashed. Now there's birds there trying to steal all the bait. I'll see if I can get little birds being little thieves.
Some guys come at you fishing on.
Yeah, where's those little birds? See those little birds? Little buggers. Trying to steal everything. Little bastards. Hopefully the camera doesn't crash this time. Yeah, that's what I thought too. Okay, bye. Yep, right. So, this is a tool I made last night. It's a free oh, it's bleeding on me! It's feeding on me. It's a three-pronged, I'm trying not to get too close, three-pronged baiting up tool I made using resin, and I want to say that's a queen chess piece. Not 100% sure, but he's made one with a bluey and squid, so that don't look too bad actually, and the tool seems to work really well, so I'm quite impressed. So if anyone actually wants one of these tools, I'll be happy to make one. I do wish, right, I'm going to give this back because this keeps bleeding on me, and this bulgy eyes is creeping me out, so I'm going to... So in case you haven't noticed, I am extremely squeamish, and especially when he's doing baits and things, it really puts me off, and I don't like the thought of dead fish and things, although I do enjoy fishing, but I'm not enjoying all this blood dripping everywhere. But you get anything? Hopefully this next bait will hopefully this next bait will get something good. I'm not cutting it out.
Nice. That was better.
I'm not cutting it out.
That was firm. Just for the camera. That's far impressive. You could love it. Huh?
William the Second.
Squid work.
He's huge. Oh, I don't see.
Cast that back out.
You can. Okay. Yeah, don't hurt him though.
You go on. Let's just fish it. That's lunch. Yeah, you're doing well, friends. Right, mate, pick the fish up. Back we was out for now. And it's run like.
Come here, William the Second. Oh, he's breathing. Let's just double check to make sure the camera's actually on. Yeah! So this is my second whiting, seeing as the camera crashed on the first video. So this one is William the Second, because the other one was William. And he's, oh, there we go. Are you going to show me teeth again? Did you brush those teeth? Anything? No? Okay, he's opening for the camera. No, not very wide though, not like the first one was. But he's nice size. Oh, he's beautiful. Did you say you wanted to keep him?
No, I don't say that.
Okay, so we'll say bye to William the Second. Say bye. You gonna wave? Nope. Okay then. Oh, now you're fucking doing it.
Yeah, guys, that's the next bait gone out. It's on a drop down pulley.
time at all at that point. Over there, behind the camera, behind the scene, I nearly fell into the jackstones, into the water head first because I nearly tripped over a poxy thingamabob. Now I'm dropping my phone in the water, which I'll probably fuck that. I hope not, it's the case, but fingers crossed that's not buggered. Okay. Okie dokie.
Right, I'm nice and white there, mate.
Yeah, and poor blooming William the bear.
Well, lucky one was small, actually, like one next to the back of it. Yours here. Fresh bit. I'll take the dog here.
I don't care, I think that is okay.
Open that.
These are cute though, aren't they? Hello. You're still on yet? This is Whitney, my third whiting, and she's very small. But she looks a bit mouthy. Look at her. Oh, look at her teeth. Oh, we're going to have to get that out of your mouth, aren't we? Got a load of line in there.
Huh?
Got a load of line. There's the cameras there. Yeah, it should look. Look at that. At least it's out of her mouth now, isn't it? What? It's alright, I'm dropping her now. I don't want to drop her on the phone though. Yeah, she probably eat her on the phone. Hey. Oh, it's a baby. Oh, oh, but look. I don't know if the camera's actually still rolling or not. Yeah. I started up another video. Look. What should we call this one?
How you doing?
Fido. Well, we've now named this one Fido. And he does not look impressed in the slightest.
He's a big, no rubber band.
Yeah.
But rubber band's on right here, catch him again.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Look. Little cute baby. I'm going to go drop him back now because he's a little bit upset. We'll go drop him back. Let's not drop him. We'll drop him down there. I don't want to